In the high voltage laboratory we stood, miniature people in a huge hall with 1,000 echoes. It was like Frankenstein's dungeon. I had travelled to Manchester University for an undergraduate open day, hopeful to become an electronic engineer. Dr. Ian Cotton seemed a refreshing, lively young character, not the geeky scientist I had imagined I would meet.
And this is the lightning impulse generator, he says. What we are about to see is 1 million volts of electricity flash through the air right in front of our very own eyes. I'm feeling a little nervous as he leads us into the control room. Looking around, I can see large buttons and switches, gauges and dials. He's clearly going to kill us all. The lights were turned off. High voltage interlocks closed, charging voltage set, 1 million volts, and charging. All was quiet. Then the warning klaxon sounds. Voltage stabilizing. Seconds turn into minutes. Then I jumped out of my skin as the electricity sprung to life. But it was amazing. This beautiful feat of nature had been harnessed by engineers in the middle of Manchester. How I want to be working here. But how?
It would be 3 years later when I next entered the High Voltage Research Centre, this time with 5 other colleagues. We had been assigned a project to build a research facility for testing the next generation of high voltage insulators for use on the national grid. I enjoyed it that much, I stayed, to study for a PhD. The best part about working in the high voltage laboratory though, is undergraduate open day, when I get to show future engineers the wonders of electricity. These days the control room has computers instead of big switches and dials, but it's always an electrifying experience, and I hope I've sparked a few minds, and nerves of course.
Lights off, high voltage on.